Hello, Tutor Marianne here. This is Cycle 2, Week 1 for CC, starting with our timeline song. So because of CC copyright, I'm not going to sing the songs. You need to have access to the songs for your own personal use. I can't put it online, technically. So you can get them on iTunes, or you can get them, you can buy CDs from CC online, their website. But we have Age of Ancient Empires, Creation to circa 450 AD, Creation and the Fall, the Flood and the Tower of Babel, Mesopotamia, so it was between two rivers, so we're showing it's between Mesopotamia and Sumer. We're doing our letter R, our sign, ASL sign language letter R, river, Mesopotamia and Sumer, because they were by the river, and Egyptians, that's the fun one. 3000 BC, so this is 3, and then 1000 in sign language is just like it's like 3 zeros, I think, maybe. So 3000 BC, Indus, so that's Indus for India, Indus River, your letter R's, river, valley civilization, Minoans, your little Y, and Mycenaeans, so this is a symbol for gold because they're pointing like an earring, so they were wealthy. Gold, so you point your ear and then do like your letter Y because gold is yellow, out from your ear. And that's all for our timeline song. Then we had math, and this week I had a skip it, and so that's, you can use a skipping rope or something, and we just did the skip it to count our ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then there is a song for the twos. You can also get that with your foundation cycle 2 music. You can sing that, but I'll just say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. And that's it for math. And our history is tell me about Charlemagne. So in 800, during the medieval period, Pope Leo III crowned Charlemagne Holy Roman Emperor of Europe. This is our letter E in ASL sign language. So we are going to be doing quite a bit of sign language throughout the year. So you get to learn all sorts of letters. And next we have our continents and oceans. So I can sing this one because it's not a CC official song. So we did, it's a little bit tricky to see on my map here because of the sunlight, but we did North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia, Africa, Antarctica. These are the continents. Indian, Arctic, and the Atlantic, and the Pacific and Southern Ocean. Indian, Arctic, and the Atlantic, and the Pacific and Southern Oceans. So that was our geography song. Then we had English, so parts of speech. Again, a CC official song, so I'm not going to sing it, but I'll show you the actions. So we had there, the kids were like a little choir. Oh no, this is not a CC official song, so I will sing it. It goes noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, adjective, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, preposition, adjective. And that's what we did for English. Then we have our Latin. So this is a CC official song, so I'm not going to sing it. But we did first conjunction, endings, present tense. So I brought a present that the kids passed around as we sang the song. And I put a bow on top of the present to help the kids remember that present tense starts with O. So it's O-S-T, mus, tis, nt. So to help us remember O, we had a picture of a bow. S, I drew a picture of a snake. T, a cup of tea. Mus, we had a little moose drawing because it kind of sounds like that. Tis, we had a picture of lips for kiss, sounds like tis. And nt, we had a picture of an ant. So that is how we remembered our Latin as we passed around the present for first conjugation, present tense. And I think that's all of our new grammar. And then for fine arts, we did oils. So the kids got to have their little shield and draw each of the 5 elements of shape. So we'll be talking about oils all through our whole art quarter here. So we have the circle family, which is made up of circles, which are any curved lines that are connected that don't have any texture or color in it. They're considered a circle, even though they're not necessarily the shape of a circle. Our dots are curved lines connected that are filled in with texture or color. Again, they don't have to be a specific circle shape. Then we have our line family. So we have line, angled line, and curved lines. So straight lines are fat, thick, doesn't matter, just a line. Angled lines is one continuous line that bends to form a point. And then our curved lines are at the bottom. So they are curvy lines that are not enclosed, and they can be all sorts of shapes. So oils, the word oils, each of these elements of shape is represented. So O is for the circle, the little dot on top of the I is for dots, that I is for straight lines, angled lines, and curved lines. So that's why we use the acronym of oils. And then if you wanted to do this at home with your kids, we did the 6 days of creation using our oils. So I just folded a piece of paper into 3. You open it up, and on the left side of the paper, you have day 1, 2, day 3. And on the right side of the paper, you write day in a different colored marker, day 4, day 5, and day 6. So using your first color of marker, you're going to do day 1, earth, time, space, light. And we're going to draw a circle, that's our planet Earth, slice it in half, and one side is shaded and one is not. So that's what we did for day 1. Day 2, atmosphere, so we drew clouds and some water. Day 3 was dry land and plants, and so we drew some land and plants. And then get your other color marker for day 4, sun, moon, and stars. So we drew a sun, the moon, which I think I forgot to draw, and stars. Day 5, fish, sea creatures, birds. So we added some birds and fish and sea creatures to the middle section. And then in the bottom section, day 6, land, animals, Adam and Eve. So then we did dinosaur and Adam and Eve. And I just remembered we didn't do science. So let's go back and do our science for new grammar. What occurred on each day of creation? So we have what occurred on each day of creation, Day 1, earth, space, time, light. Day 2, atmosphere. Day 3, dry land, plants. Day 4, sun, moon, and stars. Day 5, fish, sea creatures, birds. Day 6, land animals, Adam and Eve. So add that to your new grammar. And I think that is all. We'll see you next week.